Hey guys, what's up? It's Al from gmailfiend once again, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to move an email to another folder. So what you have to do first is of course access your Gmail inbox, and once you have done that, then you will be greeted by this certain web page. And yes, let's get started. So for example, I want to move this email to another folder, so I'll just click that, and then click this button over here that says move to. So it's an icon beside the labels icon. So if you click that, then you should be able to see different folders. So I want to put it to the work folder, so I'll just click that. And once I have done that, then let's try to check it over here. So this is the work folder, and as you can see, this is the email from a while ago. So yes, that's how simple it is. Thank you so much guys for watching this video, and I hope you tune in for more.